Welcome. In this quick session, let's break down the AI stack. The layered structure that powers modern artificial intelligence systems from the ground up. At the base of the AI stack is the infrastructure layer. This includes GPUs, TPUs, high-performance CPUs, cloud computing platforms, and specialized hardware designed to accelerate mathematical operations like matrix multiplications. Without this foundation, training large AI models would take years instead of days. Above infrastructure sits the data layer. This includes data collection, storage, cleaning, labeling, and management pipelines. Modern AI relies on high-quality datasets, data warehouses, and vector databases to store embeddings used for search and reasoning. Next comes the model layer, where algorithms live. This includes foundation models, large language models, vision models, speech models, and task-specific fine-tuned models. Techniques like transformers, reinforcement learning, and diffusion models operate here. This layer provides the tools developers use to build and train models. Examples include PyTorch, TensorFlow, JAX, and tools for model optimization, monitoring, safety evaluation, and deployment. It's also where you find libraries for tokenization, data preprocessing, and model interpretability. At the top sits the application layer. This is where AI becomes visible to users, powering chatbots, recommendation systems, autonomous robots, fraud detection, intelligent search, agentic systems, and more. These applications combine models with business logic and user interfaces to deliver real-world value. So, the AI stack moves from hardware, data, models, tools, applications. Understanding this structure helps you see how modern AI systems are built, optimized, and deployed. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the world of AI.